Restoring the salinity gradient to the Calcasieu-Sabine Basin helps establish a healthy and flourishing ecosystem from the base of the food chain on up. Within the project and surrounding area, the region is flourishing with life. Submerged aquatic vegetation, or SAV, has taken hold and provides an ecosystem for many microorganisms. Stands of roseau cane, bulrush, and cattails have vegetated the terraces. This provides plenty of protection and food sources for insects such as dragonflies and bees, and birds such as red-winged blackbirds and egrets. The water is also teeming with life. Alligators and alligator garfish are abundant. While this area is thriving, invasive species still pose a problem. Giant salvinia is one of the most prolific offenders in the region. Giant salvinia is native to Brazil and most likely came to the United States as part of the aquatic plant trade. These plants form large mats and block the sunlight from penetrating into the waterway, which lowers the dissolved oxygen in the water. This affects the native species in the water such as fish, birds, and macroinvertebrates. Today, this invasive species is easily spread by floods, birds, alligators, and boating equipment. Giant salvinia is hard to control, but there's hope. One natural predator for this invasive species is the Salvinia weevil, which is also native to Brazil. The LSU Ag Center raises and releases these Salvinia weevils to help eradicate the invasive giant salvinia population. The Salvinia weevil is dependent upon giant salvinia plants throughout its entire life cycle. They lay eggs in the small folds of the salvinia leaves. When the larvae hatch, they eat the outside of the salvinia before burrowing into the rhizomes or underwater stems to continue developing. As the larvae extract nutrition from the salvinia, it causes the plants to eventually die. Adult weevils also eat the buds of the salvinia as they're packed with nutrients. So while these salvinia weevils are quite small, at just 2 millimeters, they can destroy large patches of the giant salvinia. Although the salvinia weevil is an effective tool in combating the invasive giant salvinia, it's also a non-native species itself. However, these weevils do not consume anything other than giant salvinia and cannot survive cold temperatures, which helps to keep their population in check. What are some challenges in controlling invasive species like giant salvinia, and how can natural predators like the salvinia weevil help solve this problem?